In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and start using a demo trading account. Whether you're a seasoned trader looking to explore a new platform or a newbie eager to dip your toes into the trading world, a demo account is a great way to practice and hone your skills without the financial risk. First things first, let's talk about registration. After you complete the registration process on your chosen trading platform, you'll be granted access to your personal area. Think of this as your command center, the dashboard where you'll manage your accounts and track your trading activities. It's designed to give you a comprehensive view of what's happening and help you stay in control. Once you're in your personal area, you'll notice the option to open a demo trading account. This is your sandbox, your safe space to experiment with trading strategies, tools, and insights without the fear of losing real money. It's like a flight simulator for traders, letting you test the waters and make mistakes that won't cost you anything financially. Now it's time to choose your platform. Typically, you'll have options like MetaTrader 5, commonly referred to as MT5, or its predecessor, MetaTrader 4. Each platform has its own unique features, so it's important to select the one that best suits your trading needs and preferences. Take a moment to explore what each platform offers and consider factors like user interface, available tools, and community support. Once you've made your choice, you'll need to configure your preferred settings. This could include setting your leverage, which will determine the level of exposure you'll have in the market relative to your actual account balance. Higher leverage can amplify both profits and losses, so choose carefully based on your risk appetite and trading style. You might also set your virtual balance, giving you a realistic starting point that aligns with what you plan to trade with in a live account. After setting up your demo account, you're all set to start trading with virtual funds. This is where the fun begins. You can experiment with placing orders, trying out various strategies, and really getting a feel for the trading process. The beauty of this is that it costs you nothing. No real money is at stake, so you can learn and adapt without the usual pressures of trading. Take full advantage of this opportunity by testing different approaches, analyzing your results, and adjusting your tactics as you go. In summary, setting up a demo trading account not only lowers the barrier to entry in trading, but also builds your confidence and skills. It's an invaluable tool for any trader looking to make informed and confident decisions in the market. Happy trading, and remember, practice makes perfect.